So let's create a plain text file and load it into the browser window. So I've got my copy of Notepad++ running here, so I'm just going to go, this is a plain text file and contains some words. Here is a second line in the text file. And now this is just a text editor, so it just works like words. So I've typed some words in, and what I need to do now is I'm just going to save. So if I click on File, Save As, and I can save this inside my Documents area, and I'm going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call it Example1. And this is a plain text file, so you can see I've already got .txt selected down the bottom there. Now that's called the extension, the three letters that come after the dot. Often you can't see this in Windows or on the Mac nowadays. You can't actually see that information that comes after the name, after the dot in the name. But it's going to be a text file anyway, so it's going to be example1.txt. And if I save that, there we go, I've saved it now. So now what I can do is I can nip over to Chrome. So here's my copy of Chrome. And now what I want to do is I want to load that text file in, and what I could do, there's two different ways of doing this. Here's my file inside Explorer. I could actually drag it from here and I could just drop it into the browser window, or there's a shortcut which is Control-O. What Control-O does, it's the equivalent of sort of saying File Open. So I could navigate to the documents, find the example, and then I can click open. And here it is. Here you can see my text file, which has been rendered and displayed inside Chrome. As you can see, the two lines that we have are shown here. So if I go back to Notepad++, I could go, here is another line. Now, of course, I just typed that in, but it hasn't updated the browser window. What I need to do is do two other things. I need to save this, so now I could use Control-S, or I can click on the little save icon up here, or I could do File, Save. So that's saved the file, but you'll note that even though I've saved the file, so that content has now been updated in the file which is saved in my Documents area. Of course, the browser window is still displaying the old version. So to show the new version, what I'd have to do is I can load it in again by doing Control-O, or I can just click the Reload This Page button. There it is, and you can see I've typed in another line, just like that.